Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I am Teacher CL. Today we will learn the alphabet from A to Z. Letters, sounds, and examples. We will use the question pattern, what letter is this? And the sentence structure, this is letter A. What is the sound of letter A? Sound A. Are you ready? Great! Let's begin. This is letter A. Sound A. 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 A for apple. A for apple. This is letter B. Sound B. 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 B for ball. B for ball. This is letter C. Sound K. K. C for cat. C for cat. This is letter D. Sound D. D. D for dog. D for dog. This is letter E. Sound E. E. E for egg. E for egg. This is letter F. Sound F. F. F for flower. F for flower. This is letter G. Sound G. G. G for grapes. G for grapes. This is letter H. Sound H for horse. H for horse. This is letter I. Sound E. E. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. This is letter J. Sound J. J. J for juice. J for juice. This is letter K. Sound K. K. K for kick. K for kick. This is letter L. 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 L for lollipop. L for lollipop. This is letter M. 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 M for monkey. M for monkey. This is letter N. 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 N for numbers. N for numbers. This is letter O. Sound O. O. O for orange. O for orange. This is letter P. Sound P. P. P for popcorn. P for popcorn. This is letter Q. Sound Qu. Qu. Q for queen. Q for queen. This is letter R. Sound R. R. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. This is letter S. S, S. S for scientist. S for scientist. This is letter T. Sound T, T. T for tooth fairy. T for tooth fairy. This is letter U. Sound U for umbrella. This is letter V. Sound V, V. V for vampire. V for vampire. This is letter W. Sound W, W. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. This is letter X. Sound X, X. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. This is letter Y. Sound Y, Y. Y for yo-yo. Y for yo-yo. This is letter Z. Sound Z, Z. Z for zip. Z for zip. Let's review. A, apple. B, ball. C, C, cat. D, dog. E, egg. F, flower. G, grapes. H, horse. I, ice cream. J, juice. K, kick. L, lollipop. M, monkey. N, numbers. O, orange. P, popcorn. Q, queen. Rabbit. S, scientist. T, tooth fairy. U, umbrella. V, vampire. W, watermelon. X, X-ray. Y, Y, yo-yo. Z, zip. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.